seasons. Now, there are 4 seasons. First one, spring. Spring, very nice. Second, we have summer. Summer, lovely time. Fall or autumn. There are 2 names, fall or autumn. Fall, autumn. And then finally, we have winter. Winter. All right? So again, we have spring, summer, fall or autumn, and winter. All right. Now, when we talk about the seasons, we use in. And there's 2 ways that we can do this. In, okay? And we can also use the. So there's 2 ways. In winter or in the winter. All right? In winter, in the winter. Or in spring, in the spring. In spring, in the spring. In summer, in the summer. In summer, in the summer. But in the fall. In the fall. There's nothing here. Okay? So again, in winter, in the winter. In spring, in the spring. In summer, in the summer. Nothing in the fall. Okay? Now, let's practice a little bit. All right. Now, let's start with Isabel. Isabel, which months are in the spring?
March, April, and May.
Yes, that's right. Ali, which months are in the summer?
June, July, August.
All right. And Susan, you ask the question now.
Isabel, which months are in the fall? September, October, and November.
All right, Ali, now you ask.
Susan, which months are in winter?
December, January, and February.
Good, okay. Now, Susan, is your birthday in the fall?
Yes, it is. It is in September.
Uh-huh. Ali, is your birthday in the fall?
No, it isn't. It's in May. It's in the spring.
All right. Now, Isabel, when is your birthday?
It is in May, too. It's in the spring.
Isabel, when is my birthday?
Is it in the fall?
Yes.
Is it in October?
Yes, it is. It's on October 3rd. Now, let's talk about the weather. Here are some words for talking about the weather. So we had the seasons, and now we'll talk about words for weather. Now, first, it's sunny. It's sunny. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. It's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. It's a nice day. It's a nice day. And it's a fine day. Okay? These are the same. It's sunny. The sun is shining. It's a sunny day. It's a nice day. It's a fine day. All right?